G'day, Steve here. In this segment we're going to tell you why diabetes is such a problem in causing wounds on the limbs or on the legs and on our feet. The reason being for that is that our blood carries the sugar that needs to be offloaded to give us the energy that we need to perform our daily tasks. And we need to look at our insulin as the keys that goes around with the blood and unlocks all of the doors for the blood to offload that sugar to do that. Now the problem is when we have a reduction in insulin, we don't have enough keys to open all those doors. So the blood can't deliver as much sugar as it normally would. So the blood then retains that sugar and it becomes much thicker, or more like maple syrup. It becomes much more difficult for that blood to be pumped by the heart. When the feet being the furthest away from the heart, we get that restricted blood flow that cannot fit into the very tiny capillaries on the outer layers of our skin because the blood is simply too thick to fit into those capillaries. When that happens, we then lose the oxygen cell that is so important to keeping those cells alive. And when we cannot get the oxygen in there, those cells will die and they will cause a wound. Diabetic wounds occur for many different people, and it causes so many other problems associated with swelling of the limbs and so on. We're going to talk about that a little later, and we're going to also explain how to heal diabetic wounds with Australian Medical Sheepskin. Take care out there. If you have any questions, email us.